Reference doclets hold reusable content for a report package. Narrative reporting merges regular doclets into the final report, while reference doclets remain separate as sources for reusable report and Excel content. Doclet authors can add selected report content from reference doclets to their assigned doclets. Use a report reference doclet for report objects, such as grids, tables, charts, text boxes, images, Oracle Analytics Cloud images, and notes. Similarly, you can use Excel report objects such as charts, tables, and cells. First, the report package owner creates a report reference doclet and enters a name. Specify the reference doclet type, Excel or report. For this example, select Report. Next, select the report to use as the source. In this example, the report package owner selects a report from the library, links it, and accepts the displayed POV selections. If the report package has an author phase, the owner can assign reference doclet authors and approvers. In this example, the owner assigns a reference doclet author. The owner assigns a reference doclet viewer, then saves the report reference doclet. Next, the report package owner or reference doclet author can open the available content view for the report reference doclet. To make report content available, the author selects the report source objects that doclet authors can insert. The selected objects appear as available content for the report reference doclet. The display name helps doclet authors identify the content they can insert. Check in the report reference doclet so doclet authors with viewer access can use the report content. Creating an Excel reference doclet follows similar steps. Select Excel as the type. For the source, the report package owner can use a local file or a file from the library. In this example, the owner selects local to import a file. Because the doclet type is Excel, the report package owner uploads an Excel file for the reference doclet. Because this demo uses an author phase, the report package owner starts the doclet author phase for the Excel reference doclet. The reference doclet author opens the Excel reference doclet in Smart View and checks it out. In Smart View, the reference doclet author defines an Excel named range around the objects they want to make available. The reference doclet author selects the cells the chart sits on. Because the chart floats over the worksheet, the cells underneath the chart define the area that becomes available content. In Name Manager, the reference doclet author creates the named range and verifies the selected range. Name Manager now lists the named range. The reference doclet author uploads the reference doclet so narrative reporting can read the named ranges. After upload, narrative reporting displays named ranges in the workbook that can be added as available content. The reference doclet author selects the named range, confirms the display name, and selects OK to make the content available to other doclet authors. In Properties, the new content item appears under Available Content. Used by shows whether doclets already use the content. From the Actions menu, the reference doclet author can edit the name or description, delete the content, or remap it to a different named range. Finally, the reference doclet author checks in the reference doclet so doclet authors with viewer access can use the content. Back in the Report Center, the Excel reference doclet shows the available content and usage details. For the next step, inserting and refreshing available content in regular doclets, view embedding content from reference doclets and reference files in narrative reporting. After an author embeds available content, narrative reporting refreshes the content anytime a reference doclet is updated and checked in. You saw how to create report and Excel reference doclets, designate available content from your reference doclets, and make that content available to doclet authors. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.